Hello and welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mrs. M. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Today we're going to talk about how to increase your prices with your current customers. So I'm going to talk about 3 ways that you can increase your prices without losing your current customers. You ready? Okay. Number 1, you're going to add something else of value that they feel is a reason for increasing your prices. So what is it that you can add of value? You can add another training program for your employees. You could add a better quality control inspection. You could add better safety programs and let your customers know effective June 2020 or September 2020 or December 2020, we will be increasing our prices because we have added XYZ, and because we've added XYZ, it is going to benefit you in this way. Be able to connect the dots where they feel comfortable with the reason why you are raising your prices. Number 2, the second way to raise your prices are to raise your prices. Don't discuss it, don't mention it. Just when it's time to renew the contract with your current customer, just simply increase the prices. Don't have a discussion about it, just have the prices. That's number 2. Number 3 is to only increase the prices with your new customers. So if you already have some customers and you're looking to have new customers, then increase the pricing with the new customers. That way it doesn't disrupt the current customers that you have. So we all know that in order to maintain and be profitable in any business, especially in this type of industry, you cannot be concerned about losing your customers because you're increasing your prices. It is a necessary thing in order to stay profitable and to make sure that you're delivering the best to them. So if you're interested in any more when it comes to starting and growing a profitable cleaning business, and if you want to make sure it's successful and profitable, make sure you register for our webinar. We have a free live webinar that you can register for. The space is limited, so make sure you register now. We actually take you from selecting a name, registering a name, how to do a website, how to do marketing, employees, how to get the right customers, all of this in 1 hour. So if you're interested, make sure you sign up for and register for our free webinar. And like I said, space is limited, so make sure you do that today. Have a fantastic day and be safe. Bye-bye.